Welcome to Learn English Chill.
Apple. I eat an apple every morning.
I eat an apple every morning.
Apple. This apple is very sweet.
This apple is very sweet.
Apple. She likes green apples.
She likes green apples.
Apple. I bought some apples from the market.
I bought some apples from the market.
Apple. Apples are good for your health.
Apples are good for your health.
Apple. He gave me an apple.
He gave me an apple.
Apple. The apple is on the table.
The apple is on the table.
Apple. I made apple juice.
I made apple juice.
Apple. My favorite fruit is the apple.
My favorite fruit is the apple.
Apple. Do you eat apples every day?
Do you eat apples every day?
Bread. I have bread for breakfast.
I have bread for breakfast.
Bread. This bread is fresh and soft.
This bread is fresh and soft.
Bread. She made garlic bread.
She made garlic bread.
Bread. I want some butter on my bread.
I want some butter on my bread.
Bread. He eats bread with jam.
He eats bread with jam.
Bread. Do you like white bread or brown bread?
Do you like white bread or brown bread?
Bread. I bought a loaf of bread.
I bought a loaf of bread.
Bread. Bread is made from wheat.
Bread is made from wheat.
Bread. I toast my bread in the morning.
I toast my bread in the morning.
Bread. What do you usually eat with bread?
What do you usually eat with bread?
Rice. I eat rice every day.
I eat rice every day.
Rice. She cooked chicken with rice.
She cooked chicken with rice.
Rice. Do you want more rice?
Do you want more rice?
Rice. Rice is a common food in Asia.
Rice is a common food in Asia.
Rice. We need to buy a bag of rice.
We need to buy a bag of rice.
Rice. I don't like cold rice.
I don't like cold rice.
Rice. He spilled rice on the floor.
He spilled rice on the floor.
Rice. This rice is delicious.
This rice is delicious.
Rice. I had rice and fish for lunch.
I had rice and fish for lunch.
Rice. How often do you eat rice?
How often do you eat rice?
Soup. I had chicken soup.
I had chicken soup.
Soup. The soup is hot.
The soup is hot.
Soup. She made vegetable soup.
She made vegetable soup.
Soup. Do you want some soup?
Do you want some soup?
Soup. He spilled soup on his shirt.
He spilled soup on his shirt.
Soup. This soup tastes great.
This soup tastes great.
Soup. We ate soup and bread.
We ate soup and bread.
Soup.
I like spicy soup.
I like spicy soup.
Soup.
The soup is in the bowl.
The soup is in the bowl.
Soup.
What kind of soup do you like?
What kind of soup do you like?
Fish.
I love grilled fish.
I love grilled fish.
Fish.
She cooked fish for lunch.
She cooked fish for lunch.
Fish.
Fish is healthy.
Fish is healthy.
Fish.
He caught a big fish.
He caught a big fish.
Fish.
We had rice and fish.
We had rice and fish.
Fish.
The fish is fresh.
The fish is fresh.
Fish.
I bought some fish at the market.
I bought some fish at the market.
Fish.
Fish lives in water.
Fish lives in water.
Fish.
Do you eat fish often?
Do you eat fish often?
Fish.
What's your favorite way to cook fish?
What's your favorite way to cook fish?
Egg.
I had an egg for breakfast.
I had an egg for breakfast.
Egg.
She boiled 2 eggs.
She boiled 2 eggs.
Egg.
I like fried eggs.
I like fried eggs.
Egg.
Eggs are rich in protein.
Eggs are rich in protein.
Egg.
He eats eggs every morning.
He eats eggs every morning.
Egg.
I cracked the egg open.
I cracked the egg open.
Egg.
Do you want scrambled eggs?
Do you want scrambled eggs?
Egg.
The egg is still raw.
The egg is still raw.
Egg.
I added an egg to the cake.
I added an egg to the cake.
Egg.
How do you like your eggs?
How do you like your eggs?
Milk.
I drink milk every night.
I drink milk every night.
Milk.
Milk is good for your bones.
Milk is good for your bones.
Milk.
She put milk in her coffee.
She put milk in her coffee.
Milk.
Do you want warm milk?
Do you want warm milk?
Milk.
This milk tastes sour.
This milk tastes sour.
Milk.
We are out of milk.
We are out of milk.
Milk.
I like chocolate milk.
I like chocolate milk.
Milk.
My baby drinks a lot of milk.
My baby drinks a lot of milk.
Milk.
Milk comes from cows.
Milk comes from cows.
Milk.
Do you prefer cold milk or warm milk?
Do you prefer cold milk or warm milk?
Chicken.
I love fried chicken.
I love fried chicken.
Chicken.
She is cooking chicken soup.
She is cooking chicken soup.
Chicken.
We had chicken for dinner.
We had chicken for dinner.
Chicken.
He doesn't like chicken.
He doesn't like chicken.
Chicken.
This chicken is spicy.
This chicken is spicy.
Chicken.
I bought chicken wings.
I bought chicken wings.
Chicken.
Chicken is full of protein.
Chicken is full of protein.
Chicken.
Do you want grilled chicken?
Do you want grilled chicken?
chicken,
I always order chicken at the restaurant.
I always order chicken at the restaurant.
chicken,
What's your favorite chicken dish?
What's your favorite chicken dish?
Thanks for watching.